Okay, now this time we're going to do 1 point fullness and taper fullness by using the square pattern again. We'll open up 40, 41, 40, 41 right here. Going to bring down 40, 41, and then we're going to make a J pocket over here. So by making that, I'm going to make this area bigger so you can see what I'm working on. I'm going to go to point, mark X point. Indicate the point position. I'm going to indicate point right here. Right click, change it, release it at the same point, change to value mode. Yellow arrow occur, a plus sign going this way. So it will be beginning of the line. We're going to add 1 inch. Indicate the point position. We're going to click right here. Right click, release at the same time, and you did not see the arrow line there because it's at the bottom of the skirt. We're going to change to N. Once I change to N line, you will see the arrow going down this way, and we want it 7 inches down, and I'm going to click OK. Indicate the point position here, right click, value, and I'm going to click end, 7 inches, and I'm going to click OK. So now you see I have a cross mark here, cross mark here. I'm going to make a J pocket, so I will go into the line menu, create line. This time we are going to learn a new function of the line menu, which is called 2-point curve. We will click 2-point curve, select the first point of line. Okay, so I'm going to select this point, and then I'm going to select this other point, and once I select it, I am able to just contour a nicely curved shape for my J pocket. Depends on how you like it. And I'm going to click off here, right click, and I'm going to click OK. So I like this pocket. So now I have to separate these two pieces. So I'm going into the piece menu, and I will split piece on line. This is the line I want to split right here. So the skirt portion, I'm going to write SK1, skirt bodice 1, okay. The side, I'm going to write side pocket 1, SP1, okay. You could decide how you want to name it, whatever you will remember. So I'm going to send this to piece to menu, okay. Send this piece to menu. I don't want to save this, so cancel this. I'm going to send this piece to menu. Okay, so that's the side pocket 1 over there, and I'm going to X up this one. Now I'm going to bring this down. You can see what we work on. We have this two separate, but now what we're going to work on is only solely on this portion. We're going to add some ease at this side. So I'm going to X off this piece out from my work area, just solely work on this piece. So now we want to make a mark right here where the pocket level is, 1/4 inch in, and then right down here another 1/4 inch. So we're using the same function. We're going to add point at X mark. We're going to click right here, right click at the same time, release it at the same time, change to value mode. You see the yellow arrow occur, and we're going to make it, it's only a 1/4 inch, so it will be 0.25. We're going to make a mark. You're hardly going to see it's right there, but it's there. And this one is the same thing. We're going to right click because the arrow is here, so we're going to change to end of line, and we're going to make that 0.25 for the 1/4 inch. We're going to do OK. So you have OK again to come out there. You have 1 mark here, 1 mark there. So we're going to save this piece. Right click, save, edit piece info. I'm going to change enable editing change this skirt 1. Okay, I'm going to do SK1-M. Means I have a mark there already. Okay, and then I'm going to send it up piece to menu. So whenever I want to work in different way, I could pull it back down. So now I put it back down. We're going to go into one piece fullness menu. So going to piece, fullness, 1-point fullness. That's what we're going to work on. So they ask us select point for fullness. I want to add some ease over here. So that will be the points of fullness I'm going to add to. /2 will be the bottom mark over here. And then the line to hold will be our center front. And then how much ease we want? We only want 3/8. So 3/8. Okay. Okay. So do you see now this open up 3/8 right here? Okay. If I plop this run right here, you could see right away it's out. So it means you have a little extra ease for the pocket. Okay, now I'm going to X off everything. We're going to work on a different way. Plop this back down, which is the one have the both mark. We're going to use taper fullness for this one. Piece menu, fullness, taper fullness. Create a slash line from pivot end to open end. So obviously pivot end will be down here, open end will be up here because that's where we want our fullness. So we'll start from here, click, and then click where there is, and then we click OK. They will ask us where we want to remain stationary, center front, internal line, click here, and we'll click OK, and then position the piece. We're going to change the cursor mode to value mode, and we want to add in the distance we want to increase. You could see right away over here, have the yellow arrow going this way is plus. So we're going to add the 3/8 of an inch this way. And click OK, and OK again. So this, let's compare this to that. You could see also this one. If I superimpose on top of each other, you could see the sizing actually is different because we add in the 3/8 of the ease for the pocket. Okay, so right click, edit piece info. We're going to name this taper fullness. Okay. Okay, I'm going to name that taper fullness. Fullness. Okay. So you have taper fullness. That's it. I am, so we are